What's up, guys? In this tutorial, I will show you how to fix the problem when your microphone is not working on your Windows PC. Sometimes, after a Windows update, apps need to be granted permission to use your microphone again. To verify this, open up your Windows settings by searching for Settings in your Start menu and hitting Enter. Once the Settings window opens, navigate to Privacy and Security and then select Microphone. Here, ensure that microphone access is enabled. This setting controls whether your system allows apps to use the microphone at all. Below this, make sure the toggle for Let apps access your microphone is switched on. You'll also see a list of apps that can access the microphone. Review the list and enable access for any apps you need. Keep in mind that some desktop applications might not appear in this list. If the application you're using is a traditional desktop app, you will need to toggle on the Let desktop apps access your microphone option. This ensures that non-modern apps like Zoom, Discord or Skype can use the microphone. Next, check your microphone or headset for a physical mute button. Many headsets have a mute switch, and it's easy to accidentally leave it turned on. If your headset has such a button, ensure it's not active. A loose or improperly connected microphone can also cause issues. Check the connection between your microphone or headset and the computer. If you're using a USB microphone, try plugging it into a different USB port. For 3.5mm audio jacks, confirm that the cable is fully inserted into the appropriate input or output ports. If the issue persists, Windows might not have automatically selected your microphone as the default recording device. To fix this, go back to your settings and navigate to System, and then click on Sound. Under the Input section, make sure your preferred microphone is selected from the drop-down menu. Test the microphone by speaking into it and observing the blue volume bar beneath the input section. If the bar moves, it indicates that Windows is receiving audio input. If it doesn't respond, the issue might lie with the microphone itself or additional settings. Sometimes, the microphone volume might be set too low. In the input settings, select your microphone and click on its properties. Here, you can adjust the input volume slider to a higher level. If you still have trouble, ensure the microphone is positioned correctly for optimal sound capture. To further diagnose the issue, consider running the microphone troubleshooter. In the system settings, scroll down to Troubleshoot and select it. Under Other Troubleshooters, find the option labeled Recording Audio and run it. This troubleshooter will analyze your microphone setup and attempt to resolve common issues automatically. I hope this helped you out. Leave a comment if you have any questions and see you in the next one.